Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to integrate API in Angular. API is nothing but some other server's data we can use in our own server using an API. So we will fetch the data from other servers in our Angular project. So let me show you what we're going to learn in this tutorial. So this is the URL or data. Now this is actually a JSON data. Let me show you. So this is the product data, and JSON data we will fetch in Angular, and so in our website or in our web page. So for that we need to create one project for Angular. This is a new folder. You can create a new folder and you can rename it. This is the ng projects. Then we needed two things. First is your system must have a node.js so you can install. Second is you have to install Angular CLI command line interface. For that, after installing this node.js, you have to install Angular CLI. For that, you need to come in your folder or in your PC, or you can simply type here cmd as well. There is no problem. So let me just open here, and here we need to install Angular CLI by npm commands. Npm install -g and @angular CLI and hit enter. So this command will install Angular command line interface. It will take a little time, so we have to wait. So Angular command line interface has been installed in a PC. So you can close here. Then go to your project folders. This is ng projects, and here we need to type cmd. Same command prompt you have to open here in a root directory. Then we need to create a new project of Angular. So for that, ng new and your project name. So my project name is Angular first API integration. You can give any name and hit enter. So it will ask you a CSS format. I want a normal CSS. Hit enter, and it's also asking some questions, so you can type yes or no. I'm typing yes and hit enter. So it's creating this folder automatically for us for integrating a new API in our Angular project. This is an Angular project. Every Angular project you have to follow this steps for creating projects. So it's a big data, around 250 megabytes MB or 300 of something. Now our project has been created by command line interface or by Angular. So you can close from here. Next, you go to your project. There are many files and folders, but we always work on src. There are app. We will create a modules. We can create components. We can create a services. All these steps we will do here. Okay, so first we need to create one service. So come here again, type cmd, and we need to create one service, ng generate service and name of the service. So our service name is product and hit enter. So it's asking question, yes. So as you can see, our service has been created, product.service.ts, and there are also a specification file of TypeScript. So our services has been created. So you can see src app and product.service.ts. So our service are created inside the app folder. So let's close here. So src app, and here are service. You can see our product service, product.service.ts. So this file we have to modify. Let me open this file in any code editor. I'm using a Visual Studio Code. All right, let me just close all the things and open here. So you can see this is our product service. So we need to modify. So let me just import some files, some http requests. So http or rxjs. Then we are also http client, one parameter we are passing here, private http and http client, and this is the url which we wanna paste the data, dummy json.com and product. So there are actually this url. Then we are getting a request, get products, and this is the observable any data, and returning the API URL, which is this one, passing this parameter. Next is use the service in the component. Okay, so we need to use the service in our component. So for that we need to modify we need to create a component or use the service in the component. For that we need to one more command need to execute. So come back in a project and type cmd, and here ng generate component list. We are generating a component. First we have created services, generated services, and now we need to generate a component. Ng generate component, and name of your component product list, and hit enter. So our component has been generated. Now we need to modify product list dot component dot ts. So this is this one, this file, product list dot component dot ts. So this is inside a source file src app and app and product list and product list dot component dot ts. So let me minimize this one, src app, and this is our component, which is product list, and there are a file product list dot component dot ts. So let me just drag and drop this file as well. So this is our component. We will use service in a component. So service we already have created. So our service we have to import. So this is the service we are importing. Then these are the style css url, which is the product list component, and this is the product list .html, this one. All right, and this is the exported class product list component. So this is the code. any product. This is the array, and we are getting all the data. This dot product and data, and this data we will fetch in we will display or fetch inside our HTML files, product list component.html. So this is the file we need to open, and this product list product data we will fetch inside the product list list.component.html. So let me open this here. All right, so here we will make a unordered list and let product of products. This is actually work for for loop and for loop. If you don't know, you can watch my previous videos. And this is the product name, product price, and what the currency. If it's you can see here are dollar symbols. I'll show you. This is price. You can see this is price, and also there are a currency. Let me show you. Control F. There are category, rating, and lots of data there are. Okay, so currency, copy and paste. Currency, price, category, it have a data. Rating, you can see here. Let me just continue our project. So next is this product list, like product name, product price, and the currency. We want to show in our main app. So add the component to our app. So for that we need to go to app component.html. Just let me show you. Here are app component.html. This is the main file, like index.html. So let me open here, and let's remove all the things, and we are fetching data app product list, and this is the product list. Product list is nothing but this is the component we are showing inside our main component. So this way we can use this data in our website, and you can fetch any data using API. Actually API is nothing but we are gathering, or we are getting data from other servers data we are getting in our website or in our own server. So this is actually API. So next is we need to run this project. So for that you need to come here, come in our project, and just type cmd, and you have to ng, and you can type acr serve, or you can just type s. So your project will run in your PC, or it will give a URL for visiting our app of Angular. So this is your homework. Let me you have to run this application and let me know. Let me know. So this is your homework. You have to run this project, and if there is any error you have to fix. So this is your homework. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. So till then, bye, have a nice day.